It's really wonderful to see all of you together. It has been a while.
There are patients, who are counting on me and you and all of us to do the work that we're talking about.
The ORIEN network is a very, very strong research platform, as you all know.
There's no other network in the world that brings together 18 of the top cancer centers in the world.
We have an outstanding program that covers the full gamut of the issues that we are all thinking about and living with.
The idea that we can collaborate with physicians and scientists and patients across 18 of the leading cancer centers has enormous value to us.
People don't automatically think about what the patient needs or interests are there. But what patients are actually after is RWA, which is real-world answers.
Really, our job is to match high-risk cancer patients with life-saving clinical trials. Now, there's a whole bunch of stuff that goes on in between there. But basically that's the goal.
ORIEN was initially a pipe dream that we started to get molecular data on large numbers of patients and get clinical data as well. But it took a while for this data to mature for us to be able to leverage it and make the scientific advances that are going to help patients.
We work together all the time to ask deep questions about discovery. Why are diseases progressing the way they are? What are we learning about that? And can we find therapies that will actually cure cancer, get to early diagnosis?
The group hasn't been together for a couple of years. So first of all, it's great to be back together. And secondly, to be talking about the science.
We're really trying to understand structural racism, the social determinants of health, and their impact on the environmental exposures, the social stressors and conditions, and this concept of the built environment.
We won't be able to drive the kind of discoveries and the kind of acceleration in understanding cancer so that we can cure it unless we all come together and share data.
This is one of the first times I've traveled during the pandemic, and I couldn't think of a better place to come as a scientist, as a physician, to spend a few days here with researchers, scientists, really at the forefront of developing new diagnostics, new treatments, and even cures.
The effort of total cancer care is entering its second decade. ORIEN is now 8 years old, but great things happen when we stay with it and learn continuously and then take that learning to those that need it.